Welcome back. Look, we completely skipped the easy sets chapter. We also tossed out that typical 3-hour coaching bloat. Your time is just too valuable. You need fast results right now. So this is your zero filler masterclass. We are going to crack relations together today. Let's get right to work.
Look at this. We always start with the Cartesian product. Think of two non-empty sets. Let's call them P and Q. You simply pair their elements together. Take one from P, take one from Q. Boom, you have an ordered pair. We write it as P cross Q. It's basically a giant matching game. Every single possible pair gets created.
Now, here is the trick. We have this massive Cartesian product, but we don't actually need every pair. A relation is just a specific subset. We pull it straight from that massive product. How? Well, we introduce a specific mathematical rule. This rule perfectly connects the two elements. Only the pairs following the rule survive. The rest, they just get thrown out.
Let's look at an example. Notice how these arrows map our specific rule. Here, the rule is y equals x plus 1. We apply this right to set A. 1 maps perfectly to 2. 2 maps right to 3. But wait, look closely. 6 gets left behind. Why is that? Because 7 is not in the target set. This specific mapping right here is our relation R.
Okay, we got to break down the relations anatomy. It really just has three main parts. First up is the domain. These are all your valid starting points. Next is the range. These are your actual, successful hits. Finally, we have the codomain. Think of this as the entire possible target area. Just remember this. Your range is always inside the codomain.
Hey, do not pause to copy these notes. We value your study time way too much. My personal Chapter 2 lecture slides are ready. They include all those awesome domain and range shortcuts. Plus, they are fully NCERT-verified. Find the free Google Drive link below. It is right there in the explainer description. Go download them and crush your exams. But wait, what if one input has two outputs? Is it still a relation? Think about that before our next masterclass.